WAY 31's Matt Kroschel joins us live now from Huntsville. And Matt, TVA tells you it's already well on their way to providing green energy.
Dan and Marie, we do know that this is a big blow to the Biden administration, their efforts to combat climate change here. But TVA operations won't likely be impacted one bit. They say they're still reviewing that decision. Elsewhere in Alabama, though, other utility companies might be impacted by this change. The court finding that Congress, through the Clean Air Act, did not grant the EPA the authority to adopt on its own regulatory scheme to cap carbon dioxide emissions from power plants, giving power to regulate back to the states. This decision is a victory for a group of Republican-led states and coal companies in the battle to weaken the EPA's power to issue regulations intended to curb carbon emissions.
With the Supreme Court's decision with the EPA in West Virginia, we're currently reviewing that decision, and we are expecting that it will have minimal, if any, impact on TVA or our operations. And that's because our decarbonization efforts are not connected to the Clean Power Plan.
TVA says they are already taking those steps, including a focus on battery, nuclear, and electric vehicle technology. They're also working to add 10,000 megawatts of solar power by 2035. While the ruling might not impact TVA, I spoke to an environmentalist here in Alabama. Coming up at 5, that part of this conversation and what this ruling might mean for the rest of the state. Reporting live in Huntsville, Matt Kroschel, WAY 31 News.